Solve the equation t squared is equal to 3t. This is a quadratic equation. We see that because the 2 in the exponent. Let's go ahead and put it in standard form by subtracting 3t from both sides. So this becomes t squared minus 3t is equal to 0. Now let's factor this left-hand side by pulling out a greatest common factor of t. Writing it then as t times t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we'll use our zero factor property. If the product of two things is equal to 0, then either one is 0 or the other. So either t is 0 or t minus 3 is equal to 0, or both. So t is equal to 0 or t is equal to 3, and you can quickly check these solutions in that original equation to verify that they both work. Let's summarize by saying the solution set is 0, 3.